weird. We have a new stray cat coming inside our house. We do not know whose cat this is. We do not know what this cat is. Well, we do. Yeah. It's a cat.
Such pretty eyes. It matches
I really I want a cat that looks like it. That.
Most ginger cats are crazy though. They have like a ton of energy. Either they're really aggressive and really.
Which ones?
Ginger cats like these color, they're either really affectionate and loving, or they're really crazy.
If this cat's gonna come in more often, we have to get it to be friends with Sugar and Sophie.
I mean, they're kind of.
Because that loud noise. I don't know what the loud noise was, but it was definitely something to do with the cat.
It looks younger. It looks like 1 year old, but those paws are like
I think the cats have been smelling the food more, so they've been coming over more. So we're probably gonna have a lot of cats in our house.
Or they're just curious because they've never been in this house.
Yeah, well, we definitely just like tamed this cat or something.
Are you posting this on YouTube?
Yeah,
Oh, you're showing my face.
I didn't show it at all yet. I'm zooming into the cat.
Oh.
I couldn't see its body.
I don't
There's a
know.
little black spot in its nose. It's so cute.
I don't know what to.
You are hungry. Oh my
I don't know what to. I just am out of words
You're
for
the
this.
sister cat.
Because there's so many possible outcomes with us feeding this cat. But it'd be
He
rude
doesn't
not to
seem
feed
to
it.
care about me. He only cares about the